Hi, welcome back to In Your Defense. I'm attorney Steve Tolan. You know, I don't think it's a stretch to suggest that today the job market is as competitive as it's ever been. And one of the most important things you can do when you're applying for a job or when you're applying for advancement in your own company is to make sure that you don't have anything from your past, a ticket or something you had dismissed or taken care of in the criminal justice system and forgot that it still shows up on your record. So over the next couple of series, we're going to talk about expungements, and non-disclosures, and how to make sure that if there's anything in your past that you had taken care of, that it's still not showing up on your record. Let me tell you a quick story just to highlight the importance of this. I have quite a few of these stories, unfortunately. This one sticks out in my mind. I had a client who was in the financial sector industry and was up for a huge promotion. And part of the promotion required this person to apply for some additional certification in the financial sector industry, which is highly competitive in and of itself. And unfortunately, this person had forgotten that some 15 or 16 years ago, when they were in college, they had foolishly stepped out in an alleyway and decided to pee in public. Terrible idea on many fronts, obviously. But in the process, this overzealous university police officer, who was very incompetent also, had charged at the beginning this person with public lewdness, which is sort of analogous to a sex act. That's a Class A misdemeanor. Eventually, when it was all said and done, this individual had taken care of a Class C ticket for minor in consumption of alcohol and disorderly conduct, peeing in public. Thought it was all taken care of some 16 years ago. Lo and behold, though, the classification or the coding of that original charge still showed up on their record as public lewdness, which is terribly horrible optically on your record. And so we went back and fixed all of that through an expungement process and got this person on their way, but the cat was, as they say, already out of the bag. And so there was some collateral damage to his reputation in the company that we had to fix as well for him. So that story just highlights how important it is to make sure that there's nothing on your record that can come back and haunt you if you took care of it. So I hope you'll join us over the next couple of series as we'll talk about the eligibility and the process for expungements and for non-disclosures here in Texas. And as always, if you have any questions about this process or anything on your record and want to make sure that it's clean or you need to get rid of some things, be sure to reach out to me, attorney Steve Tolan, or to us here at Peek & Tolan, and we can help you. Thank you.